Welcome back to the Davy Brown 990 restoration. My name's Barry. Today what we're going to be doing, it's not the best day in the world for painting, but we got some painting done yesterday. Brackets painted. These are the two brackets that go underneath the gearbox housing, attach the lifting frame to it. We got that done yesterday afternoon, hung them up to dry. They're touch dry now, but they need to hang there for about a week to harden off. Weather forecast today is for heavy rain this afternoon, so it's not worth starting anything that's going to take any time to do. We're going to do some preparation instead, because tomorrow is supposed to be sunny and reasonably warm, so we might get some more painting done tomorrow. So quick look at what we've got going ahead today, getting prepared for tomorrow. So here we've got this is going to get primered tomorrow. So we've got throttle linkage, or the throttle control lever, the check plate control frames. They've already got one coat, or the first coat of chocolate on. I had some spare paint left and that had already been primed, so I lashed the coat on there rather than dispose of the paint. So they're going to get second coat and probably third coat tomorrow. Check control chains, they will get chocolate tomorrow if the weather's fine. Throttle control is the bottom end of the throttle lever. That's going to get primed up tomorrow. I'm going to get this cleaned today. We've got here the throttle stop and the throttle lever. I've just took this off, put a bit of heat on this end. That nut nice and slack now. Amazing what you can do with a bit of heating plus gas. So we're going to get that wire brushed up today. I don't think you want to see wire brushing, do you? Well, it's lovely and sunny outside today. What we're going to do, get all of this, we'll open the front door, get all of this outside, get the engine to the front of the garage in the strong sunlight, have a look at it, check it over for little bits that we've missed, see what we have missed. There will be bits, we'll see what we have missed, and then we can put a plan together. We're either going to touch it up or we're going to leave it and then spray it all again once it's built up. We'll just see what the bits are, see what we missed. Right, we'll get the door open, get it sorted out. Back in a minute. Let me see here, but that's not nothing drastic. The important bits look covered. I know you can see lots of red here, but this is just card masking. Let's see. This is the only way you can see it, really. Have a look underneath. Can we get underneath here? Right, let's get it turned around, have a look at the other side. Right, quick update what we've been doing today. Getting a load of painting done. It's a lovely day. About 12 degrees, a little bit of a breeze. So we're getting a load of bits and pieces painted today. We'll have a quick walk around, show you what we've been doing. We've got the fan, the throttle stop lever, little bracket that goes behind the fuel pump, throttle control, the little bracket off the bottom of the throttle control, throttle lever, the actuator lever for the pump, got the 4 check chain plates coated up, got the check chains themselves painted. Now what we'll do, because they're hanging obviously in here, in the middle of here, when we break these chains, that'll still be primer. So what I'll do is I'll leave them hanging for a week, We'll then twist them open and we'll go in here with a paintbrush and we'll touch all these up. You can see in there, where are you see in there, still bits of primer in there, but as I say, we'll get in with a brush and we'll do them all and sort it out. More parts of the throttle control system, the auxiliary hydraulic line, throttle line itself, throttle control line, and there we have the drain off the bottom of the gearbox housing. So it's all there. Get the painting, it'll get hung up, it'll dry for a week nice and hard, then it'll get, as I say, the chains will get finished off, everything else will get wrapped up and put away. Lovely. Right, well that's a quick update on where we are with our painting. Over the weekend we'll see what the weather's like. We might get the gearbox bits, the bearings pulled off and some gears pulled off. We'll see. We'll just see where we get with that. Or we might just get some wire brushing done on the frame rails off the gearbox. Right, thank you very much for visiting. See you again next time. Bye.